You are the reason why you're stuck, not the universe's fault. I was there. Believe me, I was. You know what's the secret? The universe can't hear you. It only responds to your vibration. Therefore, it doesn't matter how much you have to say. If you don't feel it in your heart, it's not gonna come. Hi guys! Today I am back with your favorite topic, manifestation, and why your manifestation isn't working.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's the timeline.
Are you feeling irritated? Are you losing your patience because you've been manifesting the same thing for a while and it's not happening? You are feeling frustrated. You're not sure what you're doing wrong. Well, I am here to point out the reason why your manifestation isn't working. If you are doing all the things that I'm about to tell you, we need to fix that. Hi, my name is Delilah. Let's dive right in. Number one is the first mistake that I made, which is surrendering and believing. Do you believe in your manifestation? Please don't tell me, yes, I do, but deep inside, if you believe in your manifestation, you will start living as it's a lifestyle that your manifestation is already on the way, not just all in your head. Do you catch yourself keep wondering why, when, how? Why is your manifestation not here yet? How is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? This will create resistance and it will actually backfire and push your manifestation away. Here's the trick. Be sincere, but not too serious. This is a concept that I learned from Ali Abdaab's book, Feel Good Productivity. What is the difference between being sincere and serious? You might think it's the same, but it's not. Being sincere is a commit feeling because you really want it, but you are more relaxed. There's an inner knowing that you already know that it's on the way. However, being serious is the other way around. It's a little bit more controlling, chasing your manifestation, and it's losing the fun. You want to have fun in everything you do. I'm not only talking about going out or eating or doing the fun thing, but even doing work, including your manifestation. If you're not having fun with it, you're not vibrating with the same vibration that it will bring to you. So we always have to keep our heart lightly. Number two is, do you have doubts? I mean, we are human. We're gonna have doubt. I have doubts every day, but I would catch my doubts and I honor my fear that it's not happening. It may not happen, but I allow it to pass and I watch it leave. I don't attach to the feeling, the negative emotion. It's very important for you to not try to block it, because the more you try to block it, the more you will feel it in your subconscious. And what's going to happen is you will unconsciously push your manifestation away because you keep denying that you are doubting and you're in fear. So you know that it's there, you watch it pass and you make a U-turn to go right back to love and believe. So number three is focus on how it makes you feel, not an emotionless picture. Like even if you close your eyes and you manifest for it and you keep thinking about it, but if you're not having any emotion attached to it, it's just a picture. It's just like how words, okay? Words are just words, but words are different when it come with vibration. So you have to make sure that you vibrate the same with your words. Just like you putting your feeling in as much as you are manifesting it, you're visualizing it. Everything is vibration. Feeling is emotion, and emotion is vibration. Vibration is energy. We are surrounded by energy. In able for you to manifest what you want, you need to feel it like it's already yours. Number four, and this is a very tricky one. I want you to take a second and think, are you manifesting from love or are you manifesting from manipulation? The universe only responds to love. So here's the thing. What is the difference between manifesting from love and manifesting from manipulation? So if you're manifesting from love, it will be for the highest good. It's not just for your own gain and your own benefit. When you manifest from love, you feel at peace. You want to give love and you will focus on how you feel instead. When you manifest from a manipulation point of view, you will send out a vibration of neediness, okay? Ego, you become energetically annoying. Come on, if you think that you are energetically annoying, do you think the universe will want to listen to you and what you have to say? If you manifest from manipulation, you only focus on what you can get, what can benefit you, and that's not from love, the universe is smarter than you. It's always one step ahead. If you manifest from love, you allow the universe to help you co-create your manifestation and eventually make it come true. Number 5 is stop looking at the time. Time is an illusion. Okay, it's all tricky. It's not real. If you are looking at the time, you are stuck in your 3D and you're not expand your consciousness. Therefore, you are stuck in your own matrix. If you focus on time too much, you will hold back the feeling of fully knowing. Instead, ask yourself, what are you doing to contribute to your manifestation and help it come true? The key thing is everything is now. It's happening right now. You have to release your anxiousness and your feeling of wondering why isn't your manifestation here and what time it's going to get here, when it's going to get here. It's already here in another dimension. And you just have to sink yourself into that version of you. Okay. Number 6, are you clinging to old circumstances and resisting change? For example, if you're manifesting for money, have you worked on your money mindset? If you're going out there and blow your money like there's no tomorrow, or you can't stop thinking, oh, money is so hard to come to. Like, I have to work my ass off. I have to work 10 times harder than other people just to get the same amount of money that they're getting. You need to work on your belief system before you continue to manifest. Otherwise, it's just a waste of time. It's not going to come true. Just like if you're manifesting for love, but you never go out. You reject every person that invite you out to any social meeting or party because you're thinking, oh, I'm not going to meet anyone there. Or let's say you online dating and you being so picky with every person. You're like, oh, they're not my type. Oh, you keep looking for flaws. You're not opening that door to allow love to come in. Who knows? Let's say if you go to the party and you met someone and after that, you met someone else from that person, and that could be the love of your life. Or just like if you going on a dinner date, and you're not interested in the person, but then you find out more about what you like and what would be good for the future. You know, who knows? If it doesn't work out, it's a story to tell your grandkid later. So take a chance. Don't just sit there in your room. The universe is not going to deliver a lover to your bed, okay? If you look at every couple out there that they are happy and you have this irritated and unhappy feeling, oh, whatever, then you are manifesting to the universe that you don't want that you don't like that. So you need to learn to be so happy with yourself. Do you love yourself? Do you feel like you will be able to travel by yourself? You can go to the movie by yourself. You can take yourself on a date. If you can't even do that, what makes you think that somebody would want to do that for you? First, to find love, you need to be loved. To find money, you need to bring yourself to the vibration of money. To be a successful person, you need to bring your vibration, not try to pretend that you are successful or putting on nice clothes and standing in front of an expensive car and take a picture and post it on Facebook and think that, hey, this is what I'm doing. I'm manifesting it. No, that is not how it works. You need to bring your vibration to the level of who you want to become. You want to become a successful person. You need to adopt the attitude of a successful person. Will they turn off the alarm and fall back asleep? Will they skip the reading and think that they know it all, they don't need to read? If you want to be a successful person, start acting like one. Start modeling them. Eventually, you will merge yourself into that person and all the success is going to come your way. You know, the universe actually had a great sense of humor.
If you manifest for a new job,
you refuse to quit because you are so scared. What if you can't find another job? Then you will eventually being pushed out of that job. And at this moment, you need to realize that this is the universe message for you to move on instead of sitting there and complaining and be like, why? What did I do? Hello, you manifest for it. You ask for it. If you ask for it, make sure you are ready for it. You cannot cling on to the old thing and hope that the new thing will continue to come your way. How's that going to work? And then if you manifest for a new house, right? A house that as big as a mansion. And over here, you live in a small apartment, a small house. You still are messy. You don't take care of your living space and you keep dreaming about a new living space. If you were the universe, be fair, would you actually give yourself a new house? If you can't take care of your living space and be grateful, make the feeling that when you come home, the place is neat, tidy, and it's already your dream home, even though it's small. eventually you bringing that vibration that you will get a new house and you will carry that energy to the new house instead of thinking I will wait until I get to the new house and I'll start tidying it up and I'll change my habit. And are you cringing and dodging a challenge when it comes? There's a challenge and you're like, oh, skip me out. If you keep doing that, you're not moving up. That's the reason why you're stuck. You are the reason why you're stuck, not the universe's fault. I was there. Believe me, I was. This one is a long one because I got a lot of example. Let's say you want to be a speaker. You want to speak in front of a lot of people, but you won't practice on your speaking. You won't try to learn more words and be comfortable in front of the camera, in front of people. How are you going to be a speaker? It's gonna be a dream in the back of your mind forever. You want to become a YouTuber. You watch everybody and you admire them, how they can speak so confidently, but you're like, dragging to even record one video because you have to be a perfectionist and you're not doing it right. Honey, you will never do it right. If you don't believe me, go back and watch my first video compared to now. You will have to learn, and every time 1%, that's how much you need to get better and to improve and be the person that you want to be. But first, start. Go and start talking in front of a group for me. That's the challenge I have for you today. Record your first video. Nobody needs to watch it, but do it now. What, you scared people are gonna laugh at you? They will laugh. Let them laugh. It's okay. The person who are actually being laughed at is the person who will move on and eventually will make it. But the person who's so scared to be laughed at, you have zero chance. Zero chance of getting to your dream. Like, I listened to a podcast the other day and someone mentioned that they manifest for a six pack. Do you know that manifesting for a six pack is a lifestyle changing? It is not just, I'll try to eat healthy. I'll try to hit the gym. Literally, if you manifest for a six pack and you're eating so healthy and then by the weekend you drink 10 beers that day and you wake up, you got home at 3 a.m. and you start eating pizza or something. How is your six pack gonna come to you? So you need to ask yourself, are you ready for your manifestation? Are you taking the action or you just sit there and dream? Because if you just sit there and watch Netflix and all day and scrolling on the internet, how is your manifestations gonna come true? Be realistic. Yeah, finally done with that one. So number 7 is, are you being specific? Do you really want this manifestation or is it just seem cool to you? This is very important actually. For example, if you're not being specific, you confuse the universe. Like, what did this girl want? What does this guy want? Okay. And let's say if you don't really want it, like you see how people traveling, posting their picture and you're like, oh, I wish I can travel like that. Wow, it's so nice. They can take up a month and go to Asia or Europe for and travel to multiple countries. You want that. And so you start manifesting for it. But deep inside, you know you don't want to leave. You think, oh my gosh, if I leave for a month, oh, I'm going to get homesick. Who's going to travel with me? I don't want to go by myself. Who am I going to talk to? And what if someone kidnapped me? And all these negative thoughts come in your head while you manifesting for it to happen. So how is it going to happen? You're just being confused. If you can't even understand yourself, how do you expect the universe to understand what you really want? So be specific and make sure that it's something that you really, really want. Because no matter how much you want it, all your doubts will counteractive with your manifestation. Number 8, last but not least, okay? Stop affirming it. Like seriously, stop wondering. Keep on saying, why is my manifestation not coming true? Why is it not here? Why is it not there? And then typing, searching every single day. Keep on wondering. Stop manifesting it when you are asking why you are manifesting, because you're giving out a feeling, that the anxious feeling, the lack that is not here. So stop. Just stop. Believe that it's already yours and it's on the way, and take whatever action that is needed to make your manifestation come true. Remember, only through the challenges. No rain, no flower. So the bigger the manifestation, the bigger the challenges. I don't know how to break it down to you in another way. It's just how it is. Alright, that's all I have for today. I hope this answered your question. If you find any value whatsoever, please hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't, please subscribe so I can continue to have this motivation and make more video for you guys. And if you think anybody needs this, please don't hesitate. Give it a share. Show them what you've learned today. This is through my own experiences and I'm still working on it. But you know what? I feel like I'm pretty good at manifesting things. And I know that more stuff are coming. I will update to you right now. I'm still keeping it low key, but I'm really, really excited. So believe that it's already yours and work on it. Sending you so much love and light. I love you guys. Bye bye. Till the next time.